చేస్తే వీడియోస్ ప్రాక్టీస్ కాన్సెప్ట్ Colin, hello.
He was and will always be the best father to Matthew, Chloe and Ryan. He was our rock, who we could rely on for anything at any time. He was never too busy, no matter where he was in the world.
You had such an amazing heart, and I can't compare you to anyone, and there'll be no human that could ever replace you.
Jesse was our friend, and knowing that we have been fortunate to be a part of his life is a great blessing that will always be cherished. I came here in South Africa with one of his favorite players, Jody Rose, and he told me something impressive. He said to me, Dino, you know, Chester was not the black pearl for us. He was the shining light for our nation. How great.
The team is devastated. This is not really what was expected, but that we've got to stand with the family. That's the important thing, and we hope today goes off well for them.
I could wish a lot of things, but one thing I wish I could do was give you a kiss and tell you I love you one last time.
Batata.